Welcome to upcoming dream car. 2025 Yamaha FZ-S Fi V3.0 finally launched. The wait is over. Yamaha has officially launched the 2025 FZ-S Fi V3.0, and it's already creating a strong buzz in the bike community. With new updates in style, performance, and features, this version is all set to raise the bar in the streetfighter segment. Bold design and fresh colors. The 2025 model comes with a more aggressive design language, sharper tank shrouds, and a muscular stance that gives it a premium street look. Yamaha has introduced bold color options, including a new matte black finish and sporty graphics that instantly grab attention. Upgraded features. This version now includes a fully digital LCD cluster, Bluetooth connectivity via Yamaha's Y-Connect app, and side stand engine cutoff for added safety. It also brings improved fuel injection tuning for smoother throttle response and better mileage. Performance that excites. Powered by a refined 149cc air-cooled engine, the FZ-S Fi V3.0 continues to offer a punchy low-end performance perfect for daily rides. The bike delivers 12.4 PS of power and 13.3 Nm of torque, making it ideal for city commuting and weekend adventures. Improved comfort and handling. Yamaha has worked on rider ergonomics with a slightly wider seat and better suspension tuning for a comfortable ride. The lightweight diamond frame and precise braking system with single-channel ABS ensure confidence on the road. Final thoughts. Worth the upgrade. The 2025 Yamaha FZ-S Fi V3.0 is a perfect mix of style, performance, and modern tech. It's ideal for young riders looking for a reliable and stylish companion. Yamaha fans are surely going to love this update. Subscribe to upcoming dream car. For more exciting bike and car updates, don't forget to subscribe to upcoming dream car. Your support keeps us going and helps us bring the latest automotive news to your screen.